Before downloading the Spectrum TV app on your Apple TV, you need to meet a few requirements. First, you must have an active Spectrum TV and internet subscription. Second, your Apple TV must be a fourth generation model or newer. Third, make sure your Apple TV is connected to your in-home Wi-Fi network. Now let's begin the download process. The first step is to open the App Store on your Apple TV. Navigate to your Apple TV home screen and locate the App Store icon. It looks like a blue circle with a white A inside. Once in the App Store, you can search for the Spectrum TV app in two ways. You can use the search function manually or use Siri voice search. When you find the Spectrum TV app in the search results, select it and choose Get to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, you'll see an Open button. Select it to launch the Spectrum TV app for the first time. If you ever need to uninstall the app, here's how. From the home screen, highlight the Spectrum TV app, then press and hold the touchpad until the app starts to wiggle. Then, press the play-pause button on your remote and select Delete to confirm the removal of the app. You have successfully learned how to download and install the Spectrum TV app on your Apple TV. The process is straightforward. Open the App Store, search for Spectrum TV, download it, and launch the app. Now that you have the Spectrum TV app installed, the next step is signing in. The sign-in process is designed to be simple and often automatic when you're connected to your Spectrum home internet. When you first open the Spectrum TV app, you'll be prompted to enter your Spectrum username and password. This is the same login information you use for your Spectrum online account. If you don't have a Spectrum username and password yet, you can easily create one by visiting Spectrum's website. This account will give you access to all Spectrum online services. Here's a convenient feature. If your Apple TV is connected to a Spectrum authorized modem at your home, the app might automatically authorize your login. This means you may not even need to enter your credentials manually. Now let's address some common troubleshooting issues. As of April 2025, Spectrum product teams have been investigating compatibility issues between version 3.21 of the Spectrum TV app and Apple TV version 18.4. The solution is straightforward. Update both your Spectrum TV app and your Apple TV's operating system to the latest versions. For tvOS, version 18.5 or later is recommended to resolve these compatibility issues. Some users have reported streaming issues, such as intermittent blurring, freezing, and skipping when watching live TV through the Spectrum app. These issues are often resolved by keeping your app and tvOS updated. Remember, most sign-in and streaming issues can be resolved by ensuring you're connected to your Spectrum home internet, using the correct login credentials, and keeping both your Spectrum TV app and Apple TV system software up to date.